Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make this kind of header using HTML and CSS Flexbox. This is very simple to do this banner along with Flexbox. So how to do the step by step we'll teach. Okay. Now let's go to the tutorial. Now let's go to my project. Go to G drive. I'm going to make the new folder. I'm going to make it as this one, web banner folder. Here I'm going to make it as this one also, new. Here write side one. Don't make like this one, side one. Here I'm going to make it as images. Another one is another folder. I'm going to make it as CSS. Okay. These are the two folders. So this kind of folders I'm going to open on the VS Code editor. If you are not installed the VS Code editor, please install the VS Code editor in your machine. After that, you can type cmd command to open the project into the VS Code editor. Okay, it is open up successfully. Now I'm going to go to create a new project. So click on the plus symbol, index.html. Here what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to hold down the shift key down and press one key, hold down the shift key down and press 1. You can get this mark, click on it, select this one. It is auto implement the HTML structure. This is the HTML. It is nothing but the HTML standard. Okay, this is nothing but the HTML standard. Now what you are going to do is, here I'm going to go to do the thing is, here I'm going to first I'm going to go to do the thing is, go to body. Inside the body, here you will be able to, if you look at the banner, you can see here this is at the center screen. Okay, these are the links. At the middle there will be the logo. First you have to understand the concept. Okay, so first I'm going to make the div tag. So div dot container. Press tab key on your keyboard. It will be the container. First container I have created successfully. After that, what I'm going to do is, you have to do the second one. We need a 3 div tags. Okay, so how to implement the 3 div tags? Div dot we have to name this one as a new bar, new links, something, new links. You have to write 3. I need 3 one need. Press the tab key. We have a 3 item. This contain 3 items. This is the one container. This container contains 3 items. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is all the item we have put into one container. Okay. So one is a new links 1. We have named it as. Second is a nav links 2. This is for logo. We have separated. Okay, we have separated. This is how we have separated. The first one we have to make it as a hyperlink. href. You have to write this one. You have to write it. First one is a home. You have to make it as home. Copy this and paste it below. Here, second one you have to make it as about. Second one you have to make it as about. Third one you have to make it as content. This one is a service. This is all the things just copied and pasted below. This one here we have called as contact us. Contact us event of the projects. That's it. That's the thing you have to write it. Okay, this is a blank side. You just save all. You can see this is a simple design. Save all without do the CSS type. If you look at the side, if you click on this, here this is a site, simple site look like. Okay, so here if you are not install the extension which is a live server, you have to install the extension on VS Code editor, the extension live server. So okay, no problem. I haven't put into my connector internet, that's why it happened. Okay, that's it. That here live server extension you have to install, then only you will be able to get it live server. This one you have to install that. This is must. Then only you can test at your website via the VS Code editor. Okay, so this is the extension I am using to test my websites. How it's look like while making. Okay, this is must. This is simple. Okay, it automatically update after you done after changes. After you make the changes, it automatically update and you will be able to see. Okay, now I am going to go to CSS style. So this all the things we have done it. Now we have to make the CSS style only. So image also we have to implement the images also images. The logo also we have to add image. SRC image. I'm going to implement this image. Image. I'm going to implement the logo which I created. This one, not this. The one this which image I have to get it. I modified it yesterday. This one. This is the things. Just copy it. Simple. Go to the VS Code editor, your project, this images folder. Right click, reveal in the file explorer. Inside the images folder, you paste. Okay, the simple way. Here the images there. This is your image. You can test. That's a logo. So you have to import it. src equal. It is reside on the images folder. This is the image. Okay, you specify the height and width. Width I'm going to do it this one. That's it. Height it automatically take up the height. Okay, now let's file save all and bring back to the application check here. This is the one. Okay, now let's make it the styles. In order to make the styles, I want to do the thing is first what I'm going. First we have to implement the style. Where your style CSS style, we have to link the CSS style. So how to link the CSS style? There's an attribute called link relationship, which is a style sheet. Style sheet. After that, href. Yeah, inside the CSS folder, you have to make your CSS files. Okay, now I haven't created this. You have to create styles.css. I not yet created the folder. We have to create a folder. Okay, we have create the file, not folder. Create the file. We are not yet create the folder. So we have to. That's it. We don't need them. So now let's go to the CSS new. Sorry, CSS. Right click new file. This file I'm going to make it as style.css. This CSS file, what I'm going to show to make the body. Open bracket. Here first you have to margin 0. We will make this margin which must be 0. Padding must be 0. Padding must be 0. This is must. Okay. We have to get the website. You have to make this two. After the display, you have to make it as flags. After that, you have to make it as a justify content center. Justify content center. This all things must. After that, you have to the container. Okay, this is the size. Justify container mean display flags. Okay, this display flags. After that, it will justify container center mean it is aligned at the center screen. Okay, design should be aligned at the center screen. At the center. You have to save all. Okay, now I am going to implement it. Okay, it's a body. Okay, after that, we have to make the container. We have to make a container style. This class. So how to make it? You have to dot container. Okay, so dot container. If it is a class, you have to put it as a dot. Okay, if it is a class, this is a class. So you have to make it as dot. Okay, so container display. Here also you have to make it as flags. Flags direction flags. After that, what I'm going to second one, we have to specify the justify container. You have to make it as center of this container center. Control S to save. Control S to save. After that, what I'm going to do is third one. You have to make it as a width. You have to give the width. Width is must. 1000 pixel. I need 1000 pixel for the site. Height also. You have to make it as a website height. We have to specify the height 100 pixel height. After that, background color I want to make it as black. Background color make it as black. I have made the black color change as black. Align item I make it as center. Sorry, center I make it as center. After that, padding I'm going to make it as it's starting from 0 to 100 pixel. I have to explain what I did it here is. Okay, so here it set here gap in between the gap each items which is a 30 pixel. Okay. But what the thing is, we have a container consists of 3 items. This one item, second item, third item. Each item, the gap we need. This gap which is a 30 pixel. We need a space. That's a gap. Okay, after that, another one is a padding 0 200 pixel mean it is come here it is the starting position of 200. Why it's not happening? Why it's happen? CSS style, sorry, not CSS, that's the problem. Now let's check it. Now here it's working. Earlier I have a mistake here. It is starting position 200 pixel mean it will be starting the position here. So I am not this one we don't need them. We don't need them. We just get rid of this line because I have to put it here. Justify content center, alignment content center mean it automatically take as a center screen. We don't need to put that one. Okay, now here it is at the center screen. We don't need that property. We don't need to call. It justifies content center, align content center mean it is horizontally center. So this one horizontally center and vertically center. It is horizontally center. It is vertically center. Okay, this is the height of you have specified the height of 1100. It is horizontally center, vertically center. It automatically took. Okay, after that, what I'm going to do is I want to do it here. Second one, nav links. What is the things? You have to specify the nav links. You have to specify the nav links. You have to specify the nav links. Okay. Flags. You have to write flags 0 0. You have to write auto. Display flags. You have to write display flags. You have to write gap property each nav links. You have a 20 pixel is enough. Okay. After that, nav the nav links one we have a this one it has a anchor tags. The anchor tags, the link tags, we have to give the style as a text decoration none, color white, declaration white. After that, what I am specifying here is white, font size 20 pixel. That's it. File save all. Same thing, just copy and the same thing, just copy it. These two things, paste it below. This one should be the two links two. First we have to check it whether nav links one is working or not. Here these two things we have a nav links one. This is style. Okay, let's check it. Here it's working, but the nav links two. Here it's nav links one is working. Nav links two. This links two. Just copy it. Auto paste it over here. Nav links two. This is nav links two. Okay, right. Nav links two. That's also I'm putting the same style. So 20. So the font size we haven't given it a 20. With the same style I have given. Okay, so now let's save all. Bring back to the application. Here it's working. This one the simple under design we have to make it as simple one. Okay, this is simple one. This all source code I provide you in my website. You will be able to do it. Thank you for watching. This kind of banners are very must when you are making the website development part. Thank you for watching.